Hello everyone, this is Amber from Using Packaging. We are specializing in mold packaging designing and manufacturing. Today I would like to show you a new packaging. It is produced by wet pressing process and made from sugarcane paper material. We use all biodegradable materials, which can completely evaporate and degrade within 3 months. The color of the paper tray is the original color of the raw material. Because our paper tray is zero pollution, zero emission, and the wastewater can be reused. Let's look at the details. As you can see, one side is smoother, and the other side has test mixture. We design each product from samples, so the boards fit perfectly. On the paper tray, we can customize any logo for you. If you are interested in this product, just feel free to contact us. We are offering the free design service and free import. Bye bye.